In this video, we are going to learn how to use our protractor to draw angles, and then we are going to use our compass to bisect the angles that we have drawn. So here I have my first question, where we want to draw a 60-degree angle. Now the key word here is to draw, not construct. So we'll be using our protractor to draw this 60-degree angle. So first I'll take a ruler and draw a straight line. Now this line can be any length. So if I want this end of the line to be the vertex of the angle, I'll take my protractor and let the middle of the protractor line up with this end of the line. Now we can see that the middle of the protractor is at the end of this line. Now it's very important as to which scale on the protractor that we are going to use to draw this angle. Now this line here lines up with the 0 on the inside scale. Therefore, we are going to be using this inside scale to draw the 60-degree angle. So if we start at the 0 here and go all the way around to 60 degrees, we can see this 60-degree lines up with this 120 on the outside scale. So I'll simply place a dot by this 120-degree angle. Then I'm going to draw a straight line from the end of this line through this point. And there you have it, your 60-degree angle. Now in order to use a compass to bisect the 60-degree angle, I'm going to place the compass point at the vertex of the angle, and I'm going to use a light line to make an arc to cut both arms of the angle. Then I'm going to place the compass point here where the arc cuts the arm of the angle, and I'm going to make another arc. Then I'm going to do the same thing where this arc cuts the other arm of the angle, and I'm going to make another arc. Now where these two arcs intersect, I'll draw a line from the vertex of the angle straight through this point of intersection. And if we take our protractor and measure this angle, we can see that this line cuts the 60-degree angle in half. From here to here is 30 degrees, and from here to here is another 30 degrees. Now since I'm happy with this bisector that I've drawn, now I'll darken it. Now in my first question, I drew a 60-degree angle, which is an acute angle. Now in my second question, we are going to draw a 120-degree angle, which is an obtuse angle. So first I draw a straight line of any length. Now this time I want the vertex of the angle to be at this end of the line. So I'm going to place the center of the protractor at this end of the line. Now this line lines up with the 0 on the outside scale. So I'll be using the outside scale to draw this 120-degree angle. So I'll go all the way around on the outside scale to 120 degrees, and I'm going to place a dot at that point. Then I'm going to draw a line from the end of this line straight through this point. And there we have it, our 120 degrees angle. So now I'll do the same thing that I did in the first question. I'll place the compass point at the vertex of the angle, and I'll make an arc to cut both arms of the angle. So I'm going to place the compass point here at the vertex of the angle, and I'm going to make an arc like this. Then I'm going to place the compass point here where the arc cuts the arm of the angle, and I'm going to make another arc like this. Then I'm going to place the compass point at this point where the arc cuts the other arm of the angle, and I'm going to make another arc like this. Now where this arc and this arc intersect, I'll draw a line from the vertex of the angle straight through that point of intersection. Now if for some reason your arcs don't intersect, it simply means that you need to open your compass out a little wider. And now you can clearly see that this line bisects this 120-degree angle in half. As you can see, the line passes through 60 degrees, which is half of 120 degrees. And now that I'm satisfied with this bisector that I've drawn, I'll darken it. And that's it for this video.